Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Yeah, just a couple of hours ago in our member update today, I highlighted that I'm going to watch for breakout signals today. And well, just half an hour later, I think the breakout started. Ethereum is trying to break out of this. I mean, it's not really a bull flag, but there was a trend line here we were watching. So we are currently breaking above this trend line. I'm going to share that with you on the smaller time frame in detail. But as you know, the idea is still that Ethereum might be indeed on its way to $4,100. It could be the day today that we get a little closer, okay, or maybe even reach it. Sometimes that happens very, very quickly in crypto. Please note today we've got jobless claims coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So that's just in round about a couple of hours. So there is just naturally some volatility today. And we are on our way to 4,100. That's at least the idea. As long as we're holding the $3,094 level, that remains our critical support level here, the 50% retracement level. But don't get me wrong, it's not that this level necessarily has to be reached. We might have bottomed already there in August. There was a swing low that formed, a higher low, and that's all okay. You know, it's a corrective pullback so far that's unfolding there, or that unfolded, and it's deep enough to be this internal wave 4, and if we get another high, that might be our wave 5 of a larger third wave, and then we take the price higher accordingly. The idea is that this here would be a C wave, as you know, and 4,100 is the next milestone target. It's a critical resistance level, and above we've got $4,400, which is a very, very important level as well. That's the 100% extension target of the A wave to the upside that developed and formed between April and June, and then an ideal target for the C wave, right? That's a C wave often reaches the 100% extension level. So we're getting closer to critical targets. We have not yet broken above the July high. I mean, that's ultimately the next breakout point. But all of this is resistance. So this is a strong resistance area up here. But as I explained in some of my last updates, I mean, if we get a pullback and then in the next breakout attempt, we could break above this 4,100 level. So we'll see. I'll share with you now my view about the smaller time frame. And here you can see even more clearly that breakout that happened. We had even a 1-2 setup here. I mean, even for those who missed maybe buying in a wave 4, there was a 1-2 setup here. So everybody had a chance to accumulate if you wanted to. Typically, these zones are areas where we expect a reversal. They don't always hold, but again, they are areas of interest that can be observed where, based on the Elliott wave count, the price should actually show a reaction. And it's entirely possible the wave 2 bottomed and we're now in a third wave to the upside. And this third wave, I shared that with you only yesterday. This third wave should get to the 138% FIB extension at around $4,100. So let's see if we get there. Best I can tell is that this move up might unfold as a diagonal pattern, because wave 1 could be a 3-wave move, so wave 3 needs to be a 3-wave move as well, but we'll see. I mean, the nanostructures are kind of unreliable, so it could even be an impulse, and it's just looking a little bit more like a 3-wave move up, but overall, the direction should be clear. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.